Well, here the daily guide page. My Miakasaminia Bela Samoa.
You know me, we invite him.
At the form of the Cratabre.
We invite him.
Namia Duma. Yakoja in your Bela Samoa, Ninia, Kuna Mahine.
Kuna Mahine.
At the form.
Mrs.
Florence, Tewia Kumanin, when you fear Dia Samia, 33.
What? Young girl crying.
Nana Adom Kumani, Nana, and a payacha, and so and I could say,
no,
Kunama, so about a time which he a more time than nature manacoped.
Nana, doubt the guy. Come.
Bella Samoa, you know what you painting sounds now, Usubuate, Ununia, George, checkers, Mina Motachima, Mosuma made that form. Namia, next week, Saturday, I was Domase.
William Mike,
William Mike, Saturday, we Mike,
almost one invite him.
Yeah. All right.
What's a Bella invite you?
Bella invite you.
Any Kukumasi.
Okay, all right. Daily guide. Police snap Rollins. Hey, policeman.
Story no one headline. Yes, no. Yes, my can't make my can't who be just no.
Ogwa Mahine name removed from chief's list, and violence begets violence. Wayongo justifies bloody attacks. Daily guide. I don't need any PJ.
Daily guide. Sorry, so na. Sorry, so some more. Dia by Ogwa Mahine no some more. Yeah, dia tu da. Say, we mo tira say asabla copy mo call to our mo kasa gazette no. Yen to the film say home House of Chiefs for. Wayongo say some more. Aye tell us see a PM mobile and to quite see yeah. Yeah, when Wayongo watch us CSC, Otum. Now there will be any so more when to be and who was some and also delegate the Abba tomorrow. And some more cast of police for us, President Rollins. Then you guys watch us on my penny President Rollins, I can say the Talency. You see, you know, was here to trust something to quite was what the end time. And you were a ferry by lesson Marco Pemukum. Why they Ghana, Parliament, no, not a Talentia Conya, no, I bet to be at a big parliament, and not for him for Mukum in pay. And who wants some the woman who watches us supposed to one here? No woman take Crawford. They don't know what can supposed to want Crawford, you must noble Rollins. That's the like, yes,
eh, not the way.
I don't be back out.
I don't go my own video.
Maka.
Yeah, online stories. Rock Father reminded the online stories. Abraham Meka said the Rockman capsules, Albert Johnson, Rock Garlic Mixture, Malarock, Rock Tonic, Rock Cool Laxative, Onum San Ruino. Now it says such I can see Ebony Pigeon Titu, Rockman capsules. Ebebo ye
young mamma for whom
Malarock.
Rock Tonic. Rock Tonic, Malarock. Cool laxative.
Okay.
No.
Okay. Ujina Malarock so dia not just a malaria edunya pa ye dia anu aduro no wonu mato untimi ndidi udidi kakra bi otimi se wa no enko yie sa afi moja so pese utise bibia kama rock tonic and it is adwuma ma rock cool laxative so dia ye ne so ye matima ana se koko di unya prekope ebo amasa ha yina etime fi honum Kumasi Alaba Abu Station Siko Sika Fini and only Siko Sika if you did Madina New Road, one of the Anglican Church in Accra, so at Denta Pantan Junction, a whole Anna home, and no children chair, Okaishi Nanabuachi, Kobedia, Repash Ventures, Republic Pharmacy, King's Walk, Coast Sam, and Feinisi Pharmacy, and so home. For number way 0244 183230 0244 3230. One other Rocket Clinic Limited, one other and the online stories at the air, bro.
Yeah, first here from myjoyonline.com and some more about myjoyonline.com. What's that? Idea political parties, Kwaku, I need the whole Neka say, Kwaku, I need the whole deputy general secretary. And the ma a queer and they say, Nessa watch them, you know, and say, and they, I suppose see what tells in the politics for Yanni and from home. Send this near people before you like a who been and talk about it. And the friend one for more. Yeah, no one say my joy online, diaba. Offer I am my joy online. I'll say DBA mentors Ghana's future leaders. Ghana at 100 begins August 4th with 40-year development plan. Yeah, her cry say if you are 9 year day anymore. Niema betumi akɔ yie beduru ha ebedi Ghana bedi 100 no there's a Ghana niema betumi atoto so yie pa ma Ghana yakɔ enim yie papa remove ogwa ɔmanhene name from register court na wɔde aka ye asɛm wa ba graphic mu aba times mu papers ni bebre na refa ya omotra sai osabare makwasi ata wo munyini di every House of Chiefs mu because ne hene no wo ni the papa according to new according from $40 million diabetes project ends in catastrophic failure. $40 million diabetes project kanu. For baby kura aye nsem bebree no so mydryonline.com e de biaba. Yankwa adomonline.com ni ehwe nsama hodo a ewo adomonline.com and pay wono so etebiribie e de aba adomonline.com. Ensamo a and pay wono so amaso ya wo ka ho asem adomonline.com. Ensamo a ewo ho ya e de bre wan pay. Enya sa ade a eso hwe Adom TV e wo Facebook o hwe Adom TV wo Facebook anu ansa o be like your page no ensem wo ekoso Adom TV na nya asem ketwa niema etwa gu ho papa enya asem kuma na watumi abo wani akonhoma e wo Adom TV ye page enya sa no na ya abrefo na ya abrefo e wo Facebook na ya abrefo e wo Facebook like my page the ekoso nyina na smart media download my o mota malo muso betwa gu mama me na etese otumi access wo so biom wasan kotie de ekọ so obi ka kire say yaka ho asem a ukwa no akotie bi de kan pepepe na watumi ahwe no wadi so ne ade Instagram brefo na ya Instagram brefo na ya na no so watumi follow me wo ho kama uso Instagram ye den wobi asend me message ya ne nsamo ane ha woni ni na sa sankregua Samra boy Junction kwan ne papa
ene na ya ka chemi enye na bedo aka chemi say odi Instagram no de bia
so de ede
I am Kwabena Santi 1 ana ebi ni oza
o yele Samra boy Junction to Samra boy wo mu tira kwan nye wasi mumuni Prisia nkwanta kwan no kokoo kwan eno so enye ena afe asankregua tu kwa mai kwa ben ye wo safi ba kwan eno so kwan enye bodie tu asankregua kwan no enye enu timpanyufo hwe na wo monkoye ekwan no emfa ma won o say you people should greet me
okay
na yentia antikumi mfa ma no ehela ya wa agogo na wode aba
well I see you meet demonstration and ye dey obekwa kodi nkomo na hwe nyina so dey nti omuntimi
bishop say me brage do ntimi nkama no ntum
bishop bell
menim bishop ko
okay so ye bekwa ko demonstration
I play na me sim person fantino fagro de no
okay
and no problem here anka una beka mama
ye betwa ye ho aba ye ba nkomo ho a ebedi na so do adwenche ebebre ye kwa aba
What we realized was that after the automatic adjustment tariff formula was agreed, it only kept soaring high and never came down. And when the oil price began to come down, government still kept us at where we are, bought the petrol at where we have been buying it. Now they said they've washed their hands, they've given it to OMCs and BDCs who have taken over, and they took over at the price that already we felt should have seen some reduction, but that reduction never came, and they are increasing from that level. So those inherent marginal gains that this government is making without the knowledge of the Ghanaian population, we are going to demand that reversal should be made.
How long will the demonstration take?
It will start from 7 a.m. and run down to about 3 hours.
And is it a one-off event?
It's not a one-off event. Like you know, all the issues we are going to tackle on are issues of law. And because we appreciate the law, Parliament must come in and take some legal decision to give influence on it. So we accordingly are going to act alongside the parliamentary caucus who oversees the taxes that we pay. Every tax a Ghanaian paid in this country is enshrined by law. We will see how those things can be reversed.
Are you laying down your tools?
We are not laying down tools. This is just a demonstration. This is not closure of work. And therefore, we are going to see workers who will come, our workers who have closed off their off shifts, okay, and then they will join. And those who are on leave, we are calling all Ghanaians. It's not just about workers. The petrol issue is for every Ghanaian. The electricity matter is every Ghanaian. The water is every Ghanaian. They must all get involved.
So what do you expect? What do you expect with regards to your
with the kind of listening government we have? The first thing we are going to enjoy is that as the Ghanaians come up and they speak off, okay, their pain feeling will be relieved, and they know whether you are heard, you are not heard. If you speak your mind, that is first relief. Then secondly, the government will see the kind of danger that is ahead of us, because the jobs are still being lost. The employers are still closing the jobs, and no Ghanaian worker is safe.
What is the plan B?
I can't tell you now.
Well, Ampadu Medasi, very, very false landed. Solomon Kote, Ewahomanaso, General Secretary. Era Solomon, good morning. Upon to say. Hello, good morning. Upon to say. Solomon Kote, good morning. Upon to say. Well,
unfortunately. Fiona Brown, or Virginia. Fiona Brown, or Virginia, US of A. Ukunu ora ofe was say ye wish you happy birthday wo fra Mr. Fana me ba no why ora ofe ye me ba school father me school sign me ba no ofe e won sign secondary e wo fra wa ya fa Fiona na e wa woda happy birthday to Fiona na mo watakrade a ne ma no mo pese mo di bibreye no mo fa nkoma eye Active Connect.
Okay.
Active Connect.
Yanko aya homanso yera kote wa homanso. Good morning yera kote apom to say. Hello, good morning. Apom to say. Well, difficulty in trying to get through.
Obviously, we look nice. Or the Joss Ayite Wopong GTP new style. And I say, I'll see a GTP new style. No, papa.
Yeah, down for Jai herbal products. I say one of the down for Jai betters and a mixture about a grass of betters. No, the air and say we are my team cook if we feature be at Tonka. I feel I come out so peri and also we hear betters. Maybe down for Jai mixture. Odi poor dunya. And I told you how to say a true year. Good morning, Mr. Kote. Hello, good morning, Mr. Kote. Well, so difficulty getting through to him. Main car say open down for January Biatra, Odo Richer and Kanana Boacho, Kaishi Drug Lane, Kingswalk, or Kaishi Drug Lane, Kumasi, Freddie Mens, and Kolinak, Takra the A Mensa Market Circle, Bogoso, Unique Herbs and more, Takwa Owase Bibidufi, or Boase Smart Herbals, Yani. Mosaic Pharmacy and as a Green Light Pharmacy when you're in Arabia. Only Dr. Asnod and Mama Ruby Enkasa on 020-7872-155 or 0246-493230. Now only one needs also. Down for Jai Betes, down for Jai mixture. Ebetimi Abua.
Said you so ka person sponsor a program na Mr. Odi Efrebe na me wi am direct to am marketing for me number is 0244-284486. Say yeah paper headlines say yeah Asem Kesee say yeah efisem say yeah ahosepe ni nyina wo pese utumi ede wo bataye my boy wu ne mahu da wura 0244-284486 Kumase ne nkro ye no so kwan e be fa so e be kwa na ye dene enti wo so pese oboa ye me etumi de ne ma ne kopie mo Kumase amaka ensu ato afa nkrofo afa omajapade ye pese ntoma ye libofo de bra ye ene ne ma kakra asofo de ma ye no ye pese ye de kodum Kumase fo ye a oboase ne ba bia wo bia Obeso Boya, number 0244-284486. 0244-284486.
Probably interesting. Good morning, Mr. Kote. Hello, good morning. Well,
I'll say good morning. I'm really enjoying your show. You and Omahini. I'll say greetings to Ellen or him. Or a year at Dubiase Hospital, JB Jr. And at the Abba Florence, Ama. Kunadu Adom and on Okaya.
Okay. David War, I'm a funeral bank, also a Presla or Takrade, while bouncing baby girl. And the correlations now that I'm for that. 1760 L text message lines. It's over to me in Como on 0302-211-701 up to 4. 0302-211-701 up to 4. What some of your text messages about Nana, yeah, you're looking so sweet this morning. God bless you and have a wonderful day at work. You are doing for Mother Ghana. Opochu Obichem Anode Banana. I have worked as a teacher for 33 months without pay. Please ask the minister when will I be paid. Abanana Diaba. And Gacho, good morning to say.
Nyame adom amanye na motoma pom ti say.
Nyame adom boko yetio.
Anopa dia mu aya se fa GTP for ya domati. na me come out and to the mama ntia na bo fita kwate aka or my center DC no and na mala so awat na demonstration we ye demonstration pa mahene ke yeti ha ya nu achiye na mo ka create dollars ni ya tu na fosoro na ye ti yeti an kosuru mpade ante na mo to patru yeti ha ya ko form so ye nyina ya nifia sabi mo yi ma so te sabi assemble ma sabi one bola so no mani da ho pa mo pese ne mo gateto Adom am pese mo buye na mo tie Yesu sa tani ma ne de ya teso amonte so wo tie tuma ni ya tu ba demonstration ne ya papa wo so ye demonstration bo be ko so ya majuma ya me to mo kwa na mpa ya nyina be ba da kan ne ya sa demonstration
well Bernard person no kasa
Big Bernard money ya odi hu ya wa condition specialist ya number 027910 ana pay ya mawate
ya meje so meje so awi
yenkwe
ya wo adwuma o
ya da se
wo adwuma na o se krum for so de ya de ato adwuma ya ja nyina
wo de mai enkabi mame wo de mai me se sa wa abafo ne aboabofo ye ko boa wo de mai wo be kama sam wo look my o mo maka bobo mam
look my
gacho what they say honorable Edu na wo ye do any accident wo dey say po Gizo na ho ye
nyame atom gizo ho ye
ya da Yesu ase papa ya metia no why ya metia ka je say me so frame na mafe no wo no kura wo any accident ntu onka ho mayi na firi mu amaka nyina mu ye she
ye shame ade wo ba o se kro eni ye shia
dey shia ha fabra me fa nkwa o sisia ye be de aba ye nya de be ba ye de ba
ye ti o
opanyi kase sakra America no
Ewurade kafra. I say you look beautiful and proud to have you as a friend. Mateya da say wa for di anka ho. O say yemu adwuma dene keep it up. Adwuma ye wo TV so.
Honorable see the person kasa.
Honorable say do mate. Ani maka bia wo wo.
Ya me ni aba.
Maka bia wo papa. Katre Western Radio chairman NDC. Say ya tene nka.
One kind. Obesemenka. Not my people so what they are. Nana, I was if you want to transfer the back, one throw and car, I didn't see the hour, yeah. But me, I asked you to one among the rope one in and months.
Aha, mo.
Yes, we are liberty is waiting for my people here in my car.
Sir. Na yanko boa sawaba fo oh na mama nyesa
depend ya nipa ya be ha ni aboa na na no kre ta adjustment formula say adjustment standard with then you teaching na 2 weeks bia ya to petrol money there no kre ni emwa o man Ghana kra ti for we na say o me twama ni mani yo twam no mo se na Ghana for no to na what did that? Say 2 weeks, yeah. I don't say the cost of another form. A form for the matter, and a back form is 4% in the article. We are 15%. Is that just not from the immediate?
And I say, Honorable, OPK, Mr. Oja, message you to me sending the 10 times. Mate, was say, men can't I see you for so a moncoso. No money demonstration.
Look, man, can was some precope and chia. Ana emusa asembia
makawo anopai wo pasa truck
asante
wo pasa truck
look ma with you
amahini let you say
nabi Adom eye pa
sa sama na ya kafa me no but what did
na penyi due mati penyi due mati me se penyi
woni aba ma usama da pa no tu say bone be nam dia yewo
etio look man
ai odie ya ona mo ye waje ahwere o ye parliamentary ya pese candidate edema atmango be jata ne die no meji mejiri naje ediaba the moment siri wate mejiri naje ediaba na better than when you be tiada ba ni nyina na ko ba be kanwe we manka we free na no question me I see you for no me support wo mo essence sa o hwe kwan a enkofu afa so pay on person mu buga na for bukata na dollar I see you for me tell me hu mo mo that's enuma ye ego nyina no e ko de fire ele dollar na ye the dollar na di dwuma wa Ghana ha o na so niema ye bisi bata nteno no ni kwa sa demonstration we ba so ana demonstration na omo se ba so omo so mu nyuma no ade o be ko nyuma na say na demonstration no da siginem pasa me bo ma ba so pa me no miniska sanka mo si anka me bankra be support wo mo
ya tell that say big Ben see the credit na asanam so you
Jonathan
bem
na ba you know ma
Jonathan that is say
Kande Hadia bem
na ba
Oma hini
Larwani
Oma hini komna santi
Jonathan
Oma hini komna santi Edase Lanso inama
Onenya kura wo
Inama Yenim say from the northern sector mo niema na mo kan yen kan ho
ye beba na mo kura de yen kan asem ya gba pandai ye ba pandai say that ye sisi nyina bubu ye nya honko ye ba stories ni ade ho a ho so nto enti eto na efa mo niema ye beba why
so ye chemba mo je no na makan ya kan so da ye so ye maboa
ndi ya makana da se mo so mo famra
na musa ni ti abranti a owo doma nipa a oye parliamentary candidate mabongo concept your friend Mr. Kana o se men ka tell say ne niema nam kwan so ba
da min sha no pa
enche bia mo ba kine de Mr. Kana na pe o chia mo ti bembem
yo
ama je so na
ba
you know ma me say I see you for demonstration no you do amase akwai to say ye bi bebre ye ntini ba but it's like they are standing as a voice for the voiceless ye bra o Ghana wo increment within 2 weeks 30% increment ayo Ghana o ma me catch us say Ghana ha obi wo teacher wa kira de 2 years no salary next owo ba owo okunu nukunu so teacher ni your friend say 2 good years also need salary if I say okonye skeno ko tua sa utility bills no next ni wa we school wa ko school 3 good years as school wa check school fees ne mam ne papa at your school fees am say o we are obey the was make ma show mo me ka to say o ti fie no oni juma obet ma ye so ye that sra ban no me sra president John Dramani Mahama aye nyina ye wo gidi wo mu aye to abane ma no a obedan president ne say ye be sra say ontie akwa ti say your friends and another time for you more say usukra for ye end the
usukra na me no all right Idrisu enwie cry Idrisu good morning apom to say
good morning Oman
yeti Idrisu
Oman I'm the church for you now I'm saying na ya beautiful show wa ti regional chairman ka but Western region obatin kapa Chiokoma Chairman Smile and executive for mu Ekoma Didier Anyas Bakwa district na I'm saying demonstration now mu person mu ko edify Petro no ye support mu pa fi say je mari ye ka say support mu no say so sha adiba bia ya tun 5 city ya tun 3 city ya tun say eli na egu abani ni ma fi it is a demo no ye nyina e support ama ya cha o mu ana je council say I'm telling your friends, Canada better now. Muka was some bibino. It's born a more fun ball, your friends saying, as a voice from Kwan. He said, the man got out some Muba Kaya, if you are about for now, you could tune at 2008 and after 2007 for now, you choose Abano. You're a flag bearer, Edma MPP. Or see, if you are crumple cry, you're the
okay, my finally,
the best morning show, Ghana, Father Fujai.
Danfujai Herbal Products, one of the Danfujai bitters and a mixture. Abaja so Pebiata, Nana Boacho, Okanshi Drugglin, Kings Walk, Kumasi Freddy Mensa, Kolinak, Takra the A Mensa, Bogos Unique Herbs and more, Takwa Owasa, Bibidrufi, Oboase Smart Herbals, Yani. Mosaic Pharmacy and Greenlight Pharmacy. Ufre Dr. Asnod and Mama Ruby on 020-7872-155 and 0246493230.
No, reading was Sanquari or say your wife a year papa and for you or say please read a message or say na your birthday what the Esther Ackerson or Techiman Esther Ackerson or Techiman happy birthday to you Kuno Ackerson ne wo magina almost for motopa
this year Wallace I can order go can see about GFAX for Adom Yakoba